Hey, what's up, gang? Daniel Dunlap from Daniel Dunlap Woodworks here. And today, I'm gonna try to utilize the space underneath my miter saw a little better. So I'm gonna build a cabinet. Let's go. Alright, we're on day 2 of the miter saw cabinet build, and as you can see I have all the drawers in there and they're just sitting in there freely right now. After I put the 1/4-inch bottoms on all the drawers, that left very little space between each drawer in the cabinet itself, and I'd like a little bit more space, so I'm going to take each drawer over to the table saw and rip off about a 1/4 inch from the height. Very carefully, of course. Let's go. So last night, as I was finishing up the project, I ran into a bit of a snag. Let me demonstrate. Casters are on. Like 1/8 of an inch too tall. And that is because caster height is determined by the diameter of the wheel and not the overall height of the caster, as I learned the hard way. So this thing came up 1/2 inch taller than it should have been. There should have been plenty of space here, but there was not. It's okay, I have a solution. Let's go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Number 2. Normally I would use paste wax, but I can't seem to find my paste wax. So I'm gonna use this dry lube with Teflon and see if it works. Well, I think it came out pretty good. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. I would also appreciate a like, subscribe, or even a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think I could do better. I have a lot more planned for 2021, so you don't want to miss out on that. Until next time, take care.